I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Xcode versus Visual Studio Code. We'll explore their core functionalities, target platforms, and developer experience to help you decide which integrated development environment, or IDE, best suits your programming needs. We'll cover key differences in performance, extensibility, and community support, providing a clear overview of each tool's strengths and weaknesses for various development tasks. Xcode is the go-to IDE for anyone developing within the Apple ecosystem. It provides unparalleled integration with Mac OS, iOS, Watch OS, and TV OS, offering a complete toolkit from design to debugging. With features like Interface Builder and a robust debugger, it streamlines the creation of native Apple applications. If your focus is exclusively on Apple platforms, Xcode delivers a highly optimized and integrated development experience, crucial for App Store submissions. Visual Studio Code, or VS Code, stands out as a highly versatile and lightweight code editor. It supports an incredible range of programming languages and frameworks, thanks to its vast marketplace of extensions. Available across Mac OS, Windows, and Linux, it offers a consistent cross-platform experience. For web development, cloud services, or general-purpose coding, VS Code's flexibility and robust community support make it an excellent choice for many developers seeking a customizable environment. Deciding between Xcode and Visual Studio Code largely depends on your specific development goals. If you're deeply invested in the Apple ecosystem, building native iOS or Mac OS applications, Xcode is indispensable. However, for cross-platform projects, web development, or if you prefer a highly customizable and lightweight editor, Visual Studio Code is an outstanding option. Evaluate your project's needs and target audience to select the tool that best empowers your coding journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.